Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% is a popular skincare product that combines two key ingredients for improving the overall health and appearance of the skin. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is a water-soluble vitamin that offers numerous benefits for the skin. It helps to regulate oil production, reduce the appearance of pores, and improve skin texture. Niacinamide also has anti-inflammatory properties, making it effective in reducing redness and irritation. Additionally, it can help to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation. Zinc is a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it effective in treating acne and preventing breakouts. Zinc also helps to regulate oil production and promote wound healing. When combined, niacinamide and zinc work synergistically to provide a range of benefits for the skin. The niacinamide helps to regulate oil production and improve skin texture, while the zinc helps to reduce inflammation and prevent breakouts. This combination is particularly beneficial for those with oily or acne-prone skin. Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% is typically used as a serum or treatment applied to the skin after cleansing and toning. It can be used both morning and night, and should be followed by a moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. Overall, niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% is a versatile skincare product that can help to improve the overall health and appearance of the skin, particularly for those with oily or acne-prone skin.